escape, escape. Mythical creature, mythical creature. Setting, setting. Best-selling, best-selling. Series, series. Wise, wise. Dangerous, dangerous. Loyal follower, loyal follower. Furry, furry. Brave, brave. Knight, knight. Fight, fight. Sword, sword. Soldier, soldier. Army, army. General, general. Enemy, enemy. Frightening, frightening. Bull, bull. Pick up, pick up.
Escape to Narnia. Welcome to the magical world of Narnia, a land of mythical creatures and talking animals. Narnia is the setting of the best-selling series of fantasy books by C.S. Lewis. Some of the books, like The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, are also very popular films. Many unusual creatures live in the land of Narnia. Let's meet some of them. Aslan, the Great Lion, is the creator and king of Narnia. He has magical powers and uses them for good. He is very wise and kind, but can also be quite dangerous. One of Aslan's loyal followers is Reepicheep, the talking mouse. He may look small, furry and cute, but he is a brave knight who can fight very well with a sword. Narnia has some fascinating mythical creatures too. High in the sky, griffins fly about. These magnificent creatures have the body of a lion, but the head and wings of an eagle. Griffins are soldiers in Aslan's army, along with centaurs. Centaurs are also strange creatures that are half man and half horse. They run quickly and are usually generals in Aslan's army because they are very clever. Not all creatures in Narnia are good, though. Minotaurs are enemies of Aslan. They are quite frightening creatures with the body of a human but the head of a bull. Minotaurs are stronger than the other animals in Narnia. Another terrifying enemy of Aslan is the talking wolf, Maugrim. As the leader of the wolves in Narnia, Maugrim can be extremely dangerous. Full of fascinating creatures, Narnia can be quite an adventurous place. Why not pick up one of C.S. Lewis's books and see for yourself?